Hi friends, it's Miss Precy here. So today in math, we're going to continue working on bar graphs to make data. You're going to log into Splash Learn, you're going to do a lesson in there, and then you're going to complete workbook pages 549 and 550. So I'm going to review those two pages with you now. Let's begin. So again, remember in math, we are making bar graphs to show data. Here we have a picture. It says favorite winter activity. Okay, can everybody see that? Favorite winter activity: sledding, ice skating, skiing, and snowboarding. Now, because we can't do this as a class together, I'm going to ask you to ask at least 7 to 10 family members, or you can email your friends in SA10 what their favorite winter activity is. On the bottom, we have the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And you're going to use these numbers down below to fill in your bar graph using the bars to show data. I'm going to do a couple with these so you understand what I'm talking about. So I'm going to move this up. I'm going to get my writing tools down below. Oops. Just bear with me. Okay. So, sledding. I'm going to say, I asked Mr. Precy. He likes to go sledding. I had called my mom and my best friend, and they both like to go snowboarding, believe it or not. Then I asked Miss Runke and her daughter and her mom, and they all like to go ice skating. So I'm going to color those in. And then I called some of my other friends from Tigerman, and guess what? 5 friends said they like to go skiing. So I'm going to color in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So remember, we said, let's look at our definition again. A bar graph is a graph that uses bars to show data. This one was how we get to school. They walked, they color in 3 bars. They rode the bus, they colored in 6 bars. Let's go back to ours. So when you do this, you're going to call some family members. You could even ask your friends in SA10. And then you're going to look. How many friends like to go sledding? Well, I'm going to go across and down. That was 1. How many like to go ice skating? I'm going to go across and down. That was 3. What favorite winter skiing activity? How many friends like that? I'm going to go across and down. That was 5. What was a favorite winter activity for snowboarders? I'm going to go across and down. That was 2. And then you're going to answer the question is, our class likes what the best? On my bar graph, what was like the best here? Which favorite winter activity? Yes, if you said skiing, you are correct because it had the most. Let's turn the page. Okay, the other page you're going to do is the see and show. And again, let's review our definition. A bar graph uses bars to show data. To make a bar graph, color 1 box for each vote. Bar graphs can look different. Here again, we have our tally charts. Favorite breakfast food: toast. The vertical lines going down. 1, 2, 3, 4. The total was 4. Then we had cereal. Remember, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5 shuts the door. That's when we go across, and the total was 5. Eggs, 2 tally marks going down. The vertical lines, they wrote the number 2. Now we're going to use our tally chart here. Here's one way to make a bar graph because there's more than one way, and we're going to transfer it. So I'm going to leave it just like this so we could see both of them. Again, favorite breakfast foods. This was one way. Now, the toast had 4, so they colored in 4 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cereal was 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Eggs were 2. Then in the next one, they just flipped it around. So the numbers were on the side and the favorite breakfast food was on the bottom, and they flipped the boxes going across. So toast had 4, cereal had 5, eggs had 2. Let's turn the page. So this is what you're going to do today. Again, a bar graph uses bars to show data. To make a bar graph, color one box for each vote. And remember, the bar graphs can look different. So you're going to use this tally chart again on favorite breakfast foods. You're going to look at the two ways down below here. And what you're going to do is to distinguish how they are different. So make sure to take your time and have fun. And I'll see you tomorrow.